Sure bafethu, Sithemeni yaphila. EPolyoke Packaging ekuyikhampani ese-Pinetown eNew Germany, kunama-post akhona, kune-post ka-code 14. Ama-minimum requirements akhona, bafuna umatric, bafuna i-code 14 one-P_D_P, and then ube uthi une-experience ka 2 to 3 years udriver. I-closing date umhla ka-23 kuJanuwari. Kuthiwa fanele usubmit i-application yakho kwi-HR department. Kuphinde kube khona i-post ye-shift setter, i-post ye-shift setter noma i-blow pack. Ama-requirements akhona bafuna u-N3 waka-mechanical engineering noma wakwa-electrical, noma kuthiwa kuno N4 or higher, yabo, uyoba kwi-advantage. Mese njengoba beshilo ukuthi okay, ube umuntu one-understanding about i-mechanical noma i-electrical, at least ube na 3 years of experience ube at least ube na 3 years of experience kwi-FMCG production environment. ube ne experience noma ka 3 years kwi-production environment. Uphinde kube ukuthi uke waba exposed kwi-molding, and then i-setting of machine ube nayo i-experience, and then ube umuntu willing to work ama-shift, and then ube umuntu onayo i-transport to move around, because njengoba besho ukuthi uzosebenza ama-shift. Kuphinde kube khona i-position ye-sliver operator, i-dairy pack, sliver operator. Minimum requirements grade 12 or N2 or N3, is either kwa-mechanical or kwa-electrical, and then kube umuntu one-good record of i-attendance emsebenzini, okusho ukuthi lawa wasebenza khona mhlawumbe benza ama-reference check, kuvele ukuthi umuntu okukhuthalelayo ukuze emsebenzini, awuyena umuntu olovayo. Mese kube khona i-position ye-mold store controller, lapho nakhona futhi minimum requirement u-N4 waka-mechanical engineering, and then kube umuntu one-understanding of ama-tools ase-workshop, and then kube umuntu one-experience yakwi-manufacturing environment, and then minimum of 5 years experience kwi-maintenance or i-maintenance yani ye-FMCG or similar production environment. Injection and blow molding maintenance experience iyoba yi-advantage. I-closing date lama-post engigcine ngawo umhla ka-30 kuJanuwari, ebikade iwumhla ka-23 iyodwa ile ka-code 14, lawa amanye angumhla ka-30 kubani, kuJanuwari. So le company njengoba sengishilo ukuthi ise-Pinetown eNew Germany, ake sizame sibone ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Dankie, ngiyabonga.